Okay, so I wanted to touch on vitamin E. Vitamin E is really essential for heart health, okay? The way you become deficient in vitamin E mostly is by consuming refined carbohydrates in the form of breads, pasta, cereal, crackers, biscuits, waffles, pancakes, things like that. Vitamin E is unique in that it can travel right through the cell. Other antioxidants can't quite do that. Now, there's different parts of the vitamin E complex, and I always recommend if you're going to get vitamin E, make sure you get it in a complex, not as one fractionated part of the vitamin E complex. I would not just get alpha tocopherol, I would get the whole complex. So alpha tocopherol is mainly used by the liver. And this antioxidant cannot just travel on its own. It needs a shuttle, okay? So it actually hops on board with the LDL, so low density lipoprotein, the so-called bad cholesterol. Well, guess what? This antioxidant is inside this little shuttle bus. LDL is basically a protein that's carrying cholesterol, triglycerides, and also vitamin E and other fat-soluble vitamins. It's not cholesterol in itself, it's a protein carrier, okay? So what happens is this antioxidant is inside this little shuttle bus to help protect the arteries, to help the cholesterol from being oxidized. And it can help decrease the risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, because it's an antioxidant. And all three of these conditions start out with some type of oxidation or breakdown or free radical damage. Then you have something called gamma tocopherol. This antioxidant has some protective factors against smoke, but gamma tocopherol actually helps protect or decrease the risk somewhat. The other thing is when you smoke, you deplete this antioxidant at the same time. So this antioxidant also will decrease the risk of certain cancers. It also supports the arteries. Then you have another antioxidant called tocophenols, which helps support cholesterol, lipids. It also will decrease the risk of breast cancer, and it's really important in skin health. So you really want to make sure you get enough vitamin E in your diet because it has some really important effects. Wheat germ oil is loaded with vitamin E. Seeds, nuts, and vegetables also have a good amount of vitamin E. And if you're going to use a vitamin E supplement, just make sure you get the whole complex and not just one individual part. So we've been getting a lot of success stories, but I don't have your success story yet. So click the link down below and upload your before and after. I want to actually hear about your success story. I want to see your before and afters. And every week we do featured success stories. So click the link down below and share your success.